For every chartered accountant preparing the GST, 2B summary is a regular task. Usually, the invoice data is already available inside spreadsheets. For example, here we can see fields like taxable value, IGST rate, and IGST amount for each invoice. To prepare the GST summary, accountants normally review these values and calculate the totals manually. If we scroll to the bottom of the sheet, we can see the calculated summary. For this client, the spreadsheet shows details like where chartered accountant calculated, total taxable value IGST, CGST, SGST, and the total input tax credit. This is the information required for the GST 2B summary for each client every month. Now imagine a CA firm that manages many clients every month. Each client has a separate spreadsheet containing invoice data. Here in Google Spreadsheets, you can see multiple client spreadsheets, but our AI workflow only picks the spreadsheets which has the GSTI data normally. Someone would open each file one by one and calculate the GST summary manually. Instead of that, let's have the single-shot GSTI 2B summary at once. Okay, now let's see. This workflow reads each spreadsheet intelligently, identifies the required GST fields, and calculates the GST 2B summary automatically for every client. So instead of opening multiple files, the system processes them all at once. Once the workflow completes, the system automatically generates the GST summary report. It then sends the result directly by email. Here you can see the summary for the client, including the supplier count, invoice count, taxable value, and total ITC. So instead of manually opening multiple spreadsheets and calculating GST summaries, the entire process can be automated. A small workflow, but it can save a lot of time when managing multiple clients.